To my YouTube channels. So today I will show you how to use Windows function that is also called the advanced SQL concept in your day-to-day practical applications. All right, so I have taken one sample employees database, and in employees database there are some six tables are there. Okay, and I am looking forward for this salary table. All right, so let me first finish delete this. Okay, so I have taken the first two columns, employee number and salary. Okay, so here I can see employee number and salaries are there. Now I want to give the serial number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 based on salary. Okay, so that is called the Windows function. So I will use in this way, select from salary. First you need to do select what you want to select and from where you want to select. Okay, so our table name is salary, so that I have put it in the last. So this is my formula to work upon. Then next is employee number. So employee number, emp, employee number and salary. Okay, SLRY. Now I want to give the row number 1 2 3 4 5 based on the salaries. Okay, so I will use row number over. These are two are the clauses, or you can say the SQL classes, which are used as a Windows partition. Windows is nothing but within the table you will give the reference to the any particular column, and you will give the numbering system. Say for example, row number over class is used to give the reference to which column. So say for example, I want to give the reference to salary, so I will put it over partition by salary. Okay, and you are also you are also interested to give in the ascending order by salary. Okay, and you want in ascending order, so this will follow the concept, and I will give the name row number. Okay, from salary table. So what it will give, it will give me employee number, salary number and the serial number, row number, which is partitioned by salary and which is in ascending order. Okay, so it will give me the output. So let us wait for the output of my SQL workbench. Hooray, yeah. So here you can see that total 9,67,330 records we have received. Okay, and this row number is based on salary. Okay, so you can see here salary, these are the salary which based on which row number has been partitioned. Now you want to partition this row number by employee number. Okay, so in short, you want a row number based on the employee number. So I will simply replace it employee emp number. Okay, and I will give hit next. So it will give me the record based on the partition of employee number. So for example, employee number 100,001. Okay, 100,001. So here you can see there are so many records of employees. There for particular employees there are so many different salaries. So what I have given, I have partitioned these all records by employee number. So for all employee number, I have given serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 17 records of employee number 100,001 and the respective salaries. Okay, so here you can also see salaries are in ascending order. Now if you want in descending order, just change it by DES. So all your salary would be in DESC. Sorry, all your salary would be in descending order. All right, so this is a advanced Windows function which is quite useful in daily life. Now, there is one sample queries like write a query upon the execution of the assign the row numbers to all managers which are in employees. Here we have to assign the row numbers to all managers. Okay. Now I will see where are these managers. So in this case, employee titles, there is a column called employee number and titles. Okay, so I will use this title table, select employee number, title, then row number over partition by employee number. Okay, and give the hit. So it will give me the all employee numbers, their titles, and their partition by employee numbers. Now, if I want a partition by titles, how many employees numbers are there? So I will simply remove this employee number by title. Okay, so it will give me all records from this title table based on the employee title. Say for example, assistant engineer. Okay, so there are so many employee number will be there who are assigned as a assistant engineer. Okay, so likewise you can use a Windows function. It is very powerful. What you need to do, you just need to insert this two class row number and over. Okay, in this case, by which column you want to partition, that you need to give. So this becomes your Windows advanced function. Thank you very much for watching this video.